Label matching with Samsara Machine Vision. The label tool can check if a product has the right label or is the right SKU. This tool uses unique image attributes called features to compare images captured during a run against a designated master image. In order to pass the inspection, the number of features found in the captured image must exceed an adjustable threshold. The higher we set this threshold, the closer that the captured image and the master image will have to resemble each other. Let's try an example with packs of gum. We have two different flavors of gum here, a mint flavor and a ginger flavor, and we're going to use the ginger flavor as my master image since that's what I want the system to look for. After clicking on Add Inspection and selecting the Label tool, we're going to go to the Target Image dropdown and set it as our current master image. If we wanted to, we could also upload an image to use as the target image. Next, we can change the minimum feature count to define how closely we want a newly captured image to match our current master image. This will be unique for every use case and require some adjustments to make sure our matches are as accurate as possible. If this is the first time label match is being configured, the default value would be a good baseline to test against our run. But since we know that both gum packs look fairly similar aside from a single graphic, we'll set our threshold a little higher. Once we've saved our label inspection, we'll go over to the Test tab and capture some images of gum packs. To test out the label inspection, we'll capture images of both ginger and mint gum packs. We can see that ginger gum packs correctly pass the label inspection, while mint gum packs don't have enough matching features and fail the label inspection. A helpful tip here is to use the in-album analytics to give us an idea of how much we need to adjust our threshold if we're not getting the results we wanted. If you have more questions about label matching, don't hesitate to reach out to your Samsara representative.